Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn for Fun. What's up guys? I'm your host Sylvia. So today I'm going to be making this super yummy, super easy and super healthy Palak Paneer. So let's get started. For this I've taken about 2 lbs of baby spinach or palak, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half an onion finely chopped, 1/4 cup of paneer cubes, 2 to 3 tomatoes roughly chopped, 2 green chilies, 1 inch of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. This is optional. So let's begin with blanching or steaming the spinach. We want to make sure that it's cooked before we puree it. So for this I've taken a big pot and I have put the spinach leaves, the washed ones, and you can add a little bit of water if it is too dry, and just cover it and steam it or blanch it for like 4 to 5 minutes till the leaves are kind of cooked, like so. Set it aside to cool. Now let's just puree the tomatoes, chilies and ginger. Sometimes I add the ginger and make a puree, or sometimes I just directly add it in the oil. Either way it tastes yummy. So right now I have just added tomato and chilies and I'm gonna puree them. So our puree is ready. Let's set it aside in a bowl, and you can use the same jar to puree the spinach. Now that the spinach is cooled down, I'm gonna puree that as well. Our spinach puree is also ready now. Now heat up some oil in a pan. To it, let's add some cumin seeds. Let them flutter, and now let's add onions. Saute them for about a couple of minutes, and now let's add ginger. So like I mentioned before, you can add the ginger to the puree, tomato puree, or you can directly add it here. I'm also adding garlic right now, but that is optional. If you don't eat garlic, you can totally skip it. Now let's add the puree. Remember that there is chili in this, green chili in this, so it's gonna be spicy. I have used Thai chilies, so they are pretty spicy. You can adjust the chilies as per your spice level. Let's just simmer it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's add some turmeric. Make sure that you don't add a lot, because then the color of our spinach curry will change. We wanted to make sure that it looks greener and not like yellowish green kind of color. So yeah, please keep that in mind. Saute the onions and tomatoes till the moisture is evaporated and the oil starts oozing from the sides. Now let's add the paneer cubes and the spinach puree. Make sure that you add a little bit of water in the mixer jar also, because when you puree, a lot of it is stuck in the mixer jar, so make sure that you don't waste that, and you can adjust the consistency as per your preference. Saute and add the salt at this point of time and let it simmer for another couple of minutes or so. And that's it, our palak paneer is ready. You can serve it with parathas, chapatis or rice and enjoy it with your family. So I hope that you liked it. Do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out. And if you have any variation of the same recipe, do share it in the comments below. I'd definitely try it. So now I'm gonna dig in and you go in your kitchen and try this awesome recipe, and hope you will also enjoy it as much as I did. Till next time, ciao. And if you really enjoyed it, do like and share with your friends and family. Also, do hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and do hit that bell button so you get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Thanks again for watching and supporting my channel. It means a lot to me. And I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, happy learning, happy cooking.